Today, I will show you how you can switch your current basic Instagram account to a professional one. By doing this, you will have ad tools, insights, and many more features to manage your account efficiently and easily. So, let's begin this video. Open Instagram app, go to the profile section, then tap Edit Profile. Select Switch to a professional account. Here, select your field. Next, now you have to select from these options. After selecting, tap on the next option. Now you have to set up your professional account. After completing these steps, your simple account will be professional. By this way, you can quickly convert a simple Instagram account to a professional one easily. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.